morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Robin got up at like 5 a.m. She got up, got her cup of coffee. I stayed in bed, awake, but I stayed warm in my bed. Robin had to be on the road, on the highway, by 6 to be in Oakland for a meeting. Yeah. I've been kind of awake for a while. I mean, I'm usually up this time of day anyway. But I stayed in bed, stayed warm, and my calico, kitty, Fizzy, stayed in bed with me and cuddled up with me. Yeah, she kept me warm. Well, kind of. Last night, I prepared creamy chicken and corn pasta with bacon. Now, if you remember from yesterday's daily message, the recipe's instructions are basically crap. Luckily, I have experience and ancestors and whatever, and I made this my own. When I post this up today, I will definitely share the other ingredients I added, but I want you to see the instructions and let me know what pet peeves you have when you start reading recipes. I have several. As you know, I have looked at thousands of recipes just in the last year and a half. Not even before that. So what are your pet peeves? Because Robin's in Oakland, I'm not cooking. We have this wonderful pasta dish, and we have some other things in the cold box. But I'm going to play with a recipe that I found a few weeks ago. I say that a lot. I found a few weeks ago, or some time ago, because I run through so many recipes. Sometimes it takes a couple weeks, a month, or two before I can get to them. The best cheese breadsticks I ever had was in college. A little place called Tim's Pizzeria. It was the only pizzeria in town. And I say town, I mean literally town. Olivet College, which goes by a different name now. They go by university, just because they have some major degrees. Us old timers still call it Olivet College. But it was a very, very, very small town. I think there was more people that attended the college, which was about 800. But we outnumbered what we called the townies. But Tim's Pizza had fantastic pizza, and they had ice cream, and I actually spent a little time working there. He never would reveal his dough recipe or his sauce recipe. Yeah, and he actually lost his sauce recipe in a fire at a different pizzeria. And I digress. I'm sorry. But he had the best cheese breadsticks. They were, yeah. I'm kind of I'm just having fun. I'm either going to have this for lunch or for dinner. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I'm going to be doing cheesy breadsticks. They're not Tim's. I can guarantee that. So let's get to it. Sheet pan. That's all I need for the day. Sheet pan. I picked up, this is about a 14 ounce to 15 ounce dough ball of pizza dough from Bel Air. It's in their deli section. It's about $3. A little bit of olive oil. Some garlic powder. I'm going to use ground oregano. A little bit of kosher salt. Some minced garlic. Some Parmesan cheese. Some shredded mozzarella. And a marinara sauce for dipping. So, and I already have some of the goodies out to roll the dough out and so forth, blah, blah, blah. So, I'm going to have some fun today. I started working on the soup cookbook, Soup Symphony, yesterday. I've started to sort through recipes. I got it down to just about 160. More sorting today. I'll do another sort that I'm going to ask nicely to have Robin go through them, because she has tried and has had many of these soups. These soups are from recent times within the last year and a half, and some of these soup recipes go back 10 years or more. I really dug into the archives, my archives, for soup recipes. Some of our favorites. So, on this Saturday, this sensational Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.